Hello friends, welcome to careerera. Today we will discuss about modeling of PN junction diode. So let's start. Our first topic is a modeling of PN junction diodes, and the method is exponential model. Here I will draw a circuit of diode. This is the resistance, and this is the PN junction diode, and this is a battery. This is the VD and resistance R. The current is flowing through diode is ID, and the biasing is a VDD. Now, what is the exponential current? The exponential current is a ID is equal to IS e to the power VD upon eta VT. This is equation 1. Now, if we apply the KCL in this loop, then current of ID is equal to VDD minus VD upon R. This equation is equation 2. Okay. Now we will discuss this model by drawing the current equation from these two. This is the current I, and x-axis represents the V. If we draw the exponential current will be like this. Okay, and if we draw the KVL, the current obtained from the KVL is like this. Okay, this is the VDD, and this is the VDD by R. Okay, and this cut point is represented as a operating point or Q point. Okay, the slope of this load line will be minus 1 upon R from this equation, from the equation 2. And if we draw a line parallel to the V axis, the current is obtained here is ID, and voltage is VD. This is the graphical analysis of V exponential model using exponential model. If we find this point, this is the operating point. We can obtain this point by two methods. From one is a graphical analysis, and second is a iterative method. Next, we will discuss the piecewise linear model of PN junction diode in the next class. Thank you.